Hi, I'm Helge from HPR. Today we're going to have a review and installation tutorial of the Nissan RB Head Drain Kit. The RB Head Drain Kit is designed in-house and features a swivel installation. It has a HPR designed reverse mount wing nut that can be installed into the hole of the RB head. This runs a banjo bolt setup for a very compact and high flowing solution. We have designed the O-ring to sit around the hole instead of inside it, so you have a full diameter of the cavity out of the head. The hole in the head drain kit is also stepped, so it's completely flush with the hole in the casting. By having it as low as possible with no reduction in diameter, this increases the potential flow out of the head. Now quickly over to what the head drain kit does. The head drain kit does not drain a significant amount of oil, but it creates an additional flow path between the head and the block. And that way the overpressure disappears from the block and equalizes over to the head, helping the original drain ports to do its job, to drain the oil from the head and down to the bottom of the oil pan where you should have it. Many people think that it's only drains oil, but it's the additional flow path between the head and block that is the main feature with this solution. And now over to the installation of the head drain kit. You simply place the banjo bolt inside the head drain base, lubricate the O-ring and press it firmly in. Then you take the wing nut and insert it by just a few threads. Then install the supplied O-ring onto the base. Take the head drain kit and gently slide the wing nut inside of the cavity. Note that the wing nut will pop inside with a slight click. Hand tighten the banjo bolt while making sure that the O-ring is in place. Now you can orient the head drain kit in your desired position. Please note that the drain should be between the 4 and 8 o'clock position. Once you have your desired angle, snug down the banjo bolt. A pro tip from HPR is to install the drain hose before you install the head drain kit. This is especially helpful if you have the engine already in the car.